Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here. We have something completely new in the shop today. Not that a Jensen 60 is new, but what I've done to it is different. Starting off, we have two ball bearings and supporting the axle, and it's got a 7-tiered drive pulley. Repainted the firebox, chimney stand, and this one is a dual fuel ball bearing. It's electric ball bearing dual fueled. I have made a brass sleeve just like this, and it gets soldered into the boiler, and this cartridge style heater, 300 watts, 3 amp, inserts right into the back of it. And then I also put a variac in the chimney stand. Just does fit in there, and it is tight as can be. This is it right here, and this lovely fits just right in there. It's actually 2,000 watt capability, and there it is inside one of them. Just says test to see if it'll fit, and I know we're about ready to really steam up here, so let's give it a go. You can see it builds up steam very fast. So with that regulator right there, the variac, we can control it pretty easily. Besides having the throttle, this is plugged right into the regular outlet. I'm kind of giving it a shake down now and trying out, make sure everything works properly. Still have the ability, like I said before, to use the fire tray, and all the electronics are stored safely into the chimney stand back here. I just turned it up. I've had it off for a little bit. So it'll come back alive here. There we go. Doesn't take long. That's a powerful heater. It runs really smooth, pretty powerful. The one I did earlier would do power 2 15 generators well and 3 barely, and this will do the same. This is a fine runner here. But I've been wanting to put a juice reducer, voltage reducer, on board for some time, and this is my first try at it. So we'll see how this pans out. The base has all been repainted too, and the whole thing's been gone over. It's got one of my special tags on it. It says 300 watts, 3 amps, and it's a 60 EL. Be right back and take a closer look at it. 60 EL, 3 amp. Just because they're little and generally inexpensive to buy new doesn't mean you can't trick them out. Turn it off. Thanks for looking, folks. St. Paul Steam saying bye now.